answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Taylor Kincaid. Thanks for joining us. And Gary, thanks for being here today with us.
Good to see you. Thank you.
Let's get to our legal break question for the day. When should you not give a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company?
When you should not give it is immediately after the wreck. You're not in a hurry to do it. You're not compelled to do it in any given time frame. So, you shouldn't give it if you don't know the facts. And a lot of times that's what happens. You shouldn't give it if you don't know the full extent of your injuries. And you shouldn't give it if you're going to be guessing and you haven't had a chance to investigate or really reflect on what happened. So, when should you give it? Well, when you know things, so make sure you've calmed down, because these calls come early on and there's a lot going on. Your car isn't working, you don't know what's going to happen there. As we've talked about many times before, fixing the car and your injury case are unrelated. I mean, they're related in some respect, but they can be done separately. You have two cases there, so you don't tie the two together. So if you feel compelled to talk, number one, don't do it on a recorded statement. They don't need it. Send them the police report. But particularly in a fall down situation, if you don't know what happened, just say, I don't know. So if you're going to give a statement, say, look, I don't know that right now, but my friend does who was with me maybe. So don't make stuff up. Don't guess, don't speculate, don't give your opinion. Keep it simple and straight ahead.
Now, in these stressful situations, I guess the question would come up, do I have to give a statement?
Yeah, and you don't. They'll tell you you do for them to get started or something like that, but you don't if the police report's there. Now, if your insurance company calls, the company that you have coverage with, and you're using them to fix the truck or whatever, fix the car, you got to cooperate with them. So, but that doesn't mean you guess. I mean, some of those rules still apply. Don't guess, don't make stuff up. Keep it simple. If you don't know, you don't know. And be direct, and you're allowed to talk to a lawyer in the meantime. I mean, you don't have to do it the minute they call. You can say, this isn't a good time, I don't feel good, I'll call you back. Give me your contact information. There's no time frame on these things, but you do need to cooperate with your insurance company.
Yeah, sometimes it's best to do what you know is best.
Yeah, keep it simple, don't guess, So if you know, you know, but a lot of times there's stuff you don't factor in or might not know at the time. Yeah. Particularly with regard to injuries.
Okay, and with a trusted attorney, you can guide them through that whole process.
Well, that's right.
Yeah.
I mean, I think that's what we're here for.
Right. Well, thank you so much for being with us today, and we'll see you all on the next Legal Break.
This has been Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.